Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please hit the like button, notification button, or bell, whatever, and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Thank you. Tonight, for this, I'm doing a little unboxing. Nothing too crazy, but tonight, while recording, I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Plus, you know, whatever else it's called. And it's actually on my new tripod that I got today. Got it off Amazon. It is the DigiCharge brand, Octopus Flexible Tripod for action cameras or iPhone 11, whatever you use to video. Super excited about that. One of my wonderful followers sent me some gifts early on when I began this whole thing, and I never knew, actually, it's probably been a couple of years, and I just found out the young lady who sent it, which I much appreciate. There was a tripod in there, which was maybe like this one, but up at the top where the camera mounts, the legs popped out one day when I was out recording. But let's get on with this unboxing. This weekend, while I was probably at the hobby shop or doing something stupid, my wife got some packages from Amazon, and it was these die-cast bicycles, which I never thought I'd actually get into, but these will work great in the RC world. Also, I might do some finger biking RC or finger biking videos. We'll just see. I'm not sure about all that. I've heard that's a big thing. Maybe it was back 10 years ago. It's the finger skateboarding, bicycle, whatever, scooters, all that jazz. All right, so we got this to unbox. The brand is Mountain Mattel Bike for ages 14 and up. It is a 10th scale die-cast model, simulating a true style. Okay, that's great to know. Let me show you real quick. Opened one earlier. This is one of those RCs I got. Thought, oh my gosh, I gotta have it, need it. And then it kind of went through my mind like, oh my gosh, these are hard to come by. People want these. Should I sell it? But then you have little things like this. I mean, it's going to be a great tow rig. It's going to look cool. It always looks cool. It is the Sin Ford F450 American Force Wheel Edition. So, but what my daughter did tonight was took this other bike I got, which, yes, they pedal. Let me put the truck down here real quick. The chain and pedal work. Water bottle does not come off. Of course, the steers, no brakes, so don't go downhill in it. Little rubber tires. But I had my daughter make me this little thing for the back. Put the Sin Racing sticker on there. And, you know, in the biking world, it's the cool thing is to just hang it over the back like that, I guess. It's the in thing. I don't know because I don't mountain bike or bike. So, RCs are about as much outdoors as I get. So, or I don't have a truck also. Usually when it goes to mountain biking and things like that, or biking, I have to load up like the bike rack. 3 bikes. It's a process. So, but this is the bike. This is what they look like. I think it works great. Perfect scale. Put that in this. I put that that beast back down there. And let's go ahead and open this one up. Now I've seen, of course, on Amazon, different bike sizes, different, like the BMX, which might be kind of cool. Might put one of those on the old wish list or something. These are, I think, perfect. Except, I've seen some, I don't know if they were 3D printed. I don't remember where I saw those at, but there were ones that did have actual shocks, suspension, full functioning, everything. But I thought I'd try these out just because of the cool colors and what they look like. So here's the orange one, different handlebar setup, little plastic seat there. Again, well, we do have the shock bypass thing there, right there. Pedals work. Does have a kickstand or bike stand, whatever they call them these days. Let me see what else it has here. It does have this little hold down for your brake cable. That is kind of nice, so that's not flopping out there and flopping around. These would probably work perfect for if your child has Barbies or little dolls. Now my daughter has like Breyer horses that have riders and stuff, so I think this might work for them. Like I said, for me, I'm using it in the RC world, more scale. I'll go down to we've got many bike shops here in Northwest Arkansas. I might go down there and see what options they have for these little, not options, but like selection of little scale bikes, if they have any. Just thought I'd do a little unboxing on these. Again, it is found on Amazon. These were, honestly, I don't remember the price. I think they ranged between $9 to $25, depending on style, everything, which they had a great variety. So, you know, if you get a chance, I'll show you the box, if that gives you any information. So, you see all of it right there. Maybe if you just Google 10th scale bikes, or die-cast bikes, that might work. Go ahead and close that back up. Set that off to the side. Like I said, that was a quick, simple video. Get yourself some. They're gonna be kind of fun. Definitely glad I added it to the RC collection for fun. Let me see here. I did get a hitch in the mail for one of my RC trucks. I do have a variety of hitches out there, but this one was supposedly just let me see. It is a metal trailer hitch for the TRX 4. But I think it'd work in any one of them. It's a hitch. So, actually, but I'm wanting to make a bike. I know there's like one company, I think, out there that makes actual bike racks for your RC that go into the hitch. I don't remember the company it was, but it was, of course, a China off-brand company. So, this little piece is going to help me a lot. It's kind of doing two unboxings in one here. So, with a child-proof Ziploc bag, adult-proof. Sorry about that. Actually, something I want to point out. Oh, wow. All sorts of little, wow. They actually give you screws to mount it up. That's pretty nice. I know I was going to need instructions for this, but it actually has a ball, metal ball in there. This is how it came out of the bag, like that. And I'm not exactly sure what this little piece is. I'll have to look at pictures or something. Sad. And then this is just a cover, I think, to hold the trailer down on the ball. Maybe. Has a cotter key in there. I don't know. Thought I was going to go somewhere with that unboxing, but unbagging, that didn't happen. So, get yourself one of these. Comment down below to let me know if you know of a company out there that actually makes cool bike racks for RCs. Like I said, I think there's two. Oh, I'm sorry. There's two out there. Thank you to Spaded RC. Go ahead and check out his page. Give him a like and subscribe. And he's the one that got me onto these, I do believe. And then we were talking about, you know, having a bike carrier. And so I think the bike carriers were kind of pricey. I think they were. And it was just strapping them on to the back of your RC. It wasn't like a hitch type thing. And they were like 30 bucks, possibly. Well, hey, I'll stop rambling. Stop wasting 12 minutes of your time. Thank you again to my followers. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, hit the notification button, bell, whatever people are calling it. And thanks again. Have a good